There are 4 birds, and they can glide. Within their gliding, they have all this mobility to turn and to move. And the first step is to match all the pieces with the component parts, facing the audience and opening. This pin is also there for you so that as you're performing, is this kind of watery motion. And all I'm doing is making an S shape. The clouds will pass in front of the light, project on the moon. 2 configurations. You've got 3 holes because he can have his right foot forward in this configuration. When they drop altitude, a couple of flaps can bring them back up and they're on their way.
Will join their arms and lift one voice, a song of solemn joy. The walls are tumbling down. The mounting lark will join our song, a rosy-fingered sky.